Question number 21. Um, y equal minus 3x plus 12. So we want to find the coordinate of the, so it has a negative gradient. So I draw like this. I want to find this point and this point. And this is y-intercept. Y-intercept is 12. So this is 0, 12. Um, I'll take this is A and this is B. Um, at y-axis, x equals 0. This is the presentation. Y equal minus 30 plus 12, which is 12. So that point is 0, 12. At x-axis, y equals 0. Then 0 equal minus 3x plus 12. 3x equal 12. X equal 4 is going to be 40, this one. Now we need midpoint. Part B is midpoint. We can easily find midpoint. X1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. It's going to be 1 and so this is 4 I wrote. So this is 2 and 6. So midpoint is 2 and 6. Now a circle going through these 3 points. We want to find the equation of circle. Now we know this is 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, what you can tell about this AB from the circle theorem? So AB become a diameter. Since AOB angle is 90 degrees, from circle theorem, AB is become a diameter. Hence, center is 2, 6. Then equation is y minus 2 square plus x minus 6 square equal r square. Now you can find r. 0 minus 2 square. This distance I'm going to find. Plus 12 minus 6 square root. 4 square, 12 minus 6, 36. 6 square root. This is going to be 16 plus 36. 36, 46, 52. Let me adjust this calculation. 12 minus 6 square. This is going to be 2 square. So this 36 plus 4. This is going to be square root 40. Hence r square equal 40. So this is equal 40. Question number 22. This is the structure. This is given 90 degrees. We want to find Q. We can use two methods. One is Pythagoras. The other one is the gradient. So first of all, I'll work with the gradient. MAB equal minus 2, y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So minus 2 over minus 3 plus 6 minus 2 over 3. So this is minus 2 over 3. MAC is minus 2 minus q. We'll work other way around. Y1 minus y2, q minus minus 2, and 1 minus minus 3. So this is going to be q plus 2, 1 plus 3. So q plus 2, 4. Now MAB times MAC. When you multiply this dou gradient equal minus 1 as BA perpendicular to AC, and MAB mean minus 2 over 3, and this one AC mean q plus 2 over 4. So from equal minus 1, I can see that this is cancel out 2 and minus minus cancel out. So this is going to be q plus 2 over 6 equal 1. So q plus 2 equal cross multiply by 6. So q equals 6 minus 2, 4. Now you can find 1 and 4. I'll work with the second method now. That is Pythagoras. BC square equal BA square plus AC square. This is a bit lengthy. BA mean we want to find the distance. Minus 6 minus 3 square plus 0 minus minus 2 square root. So this is going to be minus 6 plus 3 square plus 2 square root. So this is going to be minus 3 square plus 4. It means 9 plus 4, the square root 13. And AC square. AC square mean 1 minus minus 3 square, 1 minus minus 3, x1 minus x2 square, y1 minus y2, q minus y2 square root. This is going to be 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3 square, and this is q plus 2 square root. So this is 1 plus 3, 4 square, 16 plus q plus 2 square root. Now BA is square root 13, BA square is 13. So this is going to be 13. AC square is 16 plus. So AC square is 16 plus q plus 2 square. So this is going to be 16 plus q plus 2 square. Now I need BC. BC is x1 minus x2 minus 6 minus 1 square plus y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 square root. So this is going to be 49 plus q square square root. Then bc square is 49 plus q square. So I'll substitute here. It's going to be 49 plus q square. Now I have to simplify. 49 plus q square. This is 13 plus 16 plus q square 2q 4q plus 4. This is Pythagoras theorem. Q to q we can cancel out, and this is 49 and this is 13. 13 plus 16 plus 420. 16 plus 420, 30, 30. 3 plus 4q. Then 4q equal 49 minus 33. This is 6. This is 16. 4q equals 16 divided by 4. Q equal 4. Now we want to find the equation of a circle. Now we know this point is 1, 4. And we can find the midpoint. Then we know the center. So minus 6, 1 minus 5 divided by 2. Minus 5 by 2 I will write. And 0 plus 4, 4 divided by 2, 2. So minus 5 over 2 is there. Then we can find the radius from this distance and we can complete the circle. Find the equation of the circle. So midpoint of BC is minus 6 plus 1 divided by 2 and 0 plus divided by 2. So this is going to be minus 5 by 2 and this is 2. Now we have the center. We can write the equation x minus 5 by 2 square plus y minus 2 square equal r square. X plus 5 by 2 square y minus 2 square equal r square. R square. Now r is 0 minus 2 square minus 6 minus 5 by 2 square root. So r is 4 plus minus 6 plus 5 by 2 square. So 4 plus this is going to be minus 6 plus 5 by 2 means minus 12 plus 5 over 2. This is going to be minus 7 over 2. So minus 7 over 2 square root. So in that case 4 plus 49 over 4. So this is 16 plus 49 over 4. 55 65 over 4 square root. Then r square equals 65 over 4. Then this is going to be 65 over 4. This is the equation of the circle. Question number 23. Show that RT is a diameter. Now to show this RT is a diameter, we want to show this is 90 degrees. The way we can show this is 90 degrees one way is this is a right angle triangle, or the other method is showing the gradient. So I'll stay with that. Gradient of R is equal y1 minus y2, 4 minus 3, x1 minus x2 minus 4. This is going to be 2 and this is going to be 11. This is 2 over 11. and gradient of st is 4 minus 7 over 7 uh, minus 8. So this is going to be 11 over minus 1. So this is 4 minus 3 actually. I put this one. So this is 1. So we'll multiply by and see s times msd equal 1 over 11 times 11 over minus 1 times 1. Hence RS is perpendicular to ST. Hence by circle theorem RT is a diameter. Now we want to find the equation of the circle. Now it is normal again. So we can have to find the midpoint. Midpoint x1 plus x2 divided by 2 minus 4 plus divided by 2 3 plus minus 7 divided by 2. So this is 4 over 2 and this is minus 4 over 2. This is going to be 2 minus 2. This is 2 minus 2. Now we want to find the equation of the circle. So I have the center 2 minus 2 x minus 2 square plus y minus 2 square equal r square. So x minus 2 square plus y plus 2 square equal r square. Now I need a the radius. So r is, I'll consider those 2 points, minus 4 minus 2 square plus 3 minus 2 square root. This is going to be minus 6 square 36 and this is plus 5 square 25. This is 61. So r square equals 60 then. R equals square root 61. So this is going to be 61. So the equation of the circle. Now when you look at this sum, they will ask us to show that RT is a diameter. Then definitely we'll go to check this corner. But if you look at the next sum, now they ask find the equation. So then we want to find the diameter first. So this is one of tasks. We have to check a few gradients. We'll work out. I write the ABC values minus 404860. Now gradient of AB. So 0 y1 minus y2 x1 minus x2. So minus 8 minus 8. This is going to be 1. MBC BC y1 minus y2 8 minus 0 and x1 minus x2 4 minus 6. This is going to be 8 and this is going to be minus 2. So this is going to be minus 4. It's not the one then. AC gradient 0 minus 0 minus 4 minus 6. This is going to be 0 and this is going to be minus 10 is 0. Now when you have this kind of situation, we have to look at the picture. Now when I look at this one, I can see that minus 4, this is 0. It means those 2 points are A and C on the y-axis. So this is A minus 4 0, and this is C 6 0. Now minus 4 6 4 8 is somewhere here. Now actually this is minus 4 0 and 6 0. This has to be on the x-axis. This is minus 4 0, and this is going to be um, this is going to be 6 0. Now when you are in this kind of situations, uh, we can't find any diameter in this case. So in that case, we have to go for the second option. If we can't see that one, we have to give an approach for the second option. The second option is uh, like this: A, B, C. Now they are not perpendicular, and there's no mm, diameter. What we can do? So A is minus 4 0, B is 4 8, and C is 6 0. So now we have to work with the perpendicular bisectors. So um, we need to find the center. We know that the perpendicular bisector intersect at center. So this is the only solution now we have. We did a lot of sums like this. So we can work out this is going to be middle point. 4 plus minus 4 equal midpoint of AD. I will take this is P and this is Q. X1 plus X2 divided by 2, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2 AB. This is going to be 0, and this is going to be 4. So this point is 0, 4. And the gradient of AB is 0 minus 8 minus 4 minus 4. So it is going to be minus 8 minus 8 is 1. Then the perpendicular gradient, I will take this is L1, this is L2. So ML1 times MAB equal minus 1. Then ML1 times 1 equal minus 1. ML1 equal minus 1. So this gradient is minus 1 now. We have a point. Now I am going to write the equation. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x tan. Y minus y1 is this value 4, and m is minus 1 we found out, and x minus x1 is 0. So y minus 4 equal minus 6, y equal minus 6 plus 4. So this equation is y equal minus 6 plus 4. Now midpoint of CD, 6 plus 4 over 2, y x1 plus x2 over 2, and y1 plus y2 over 2. This is 10 over 2, 5. This is 8 over 2, 4. This is going to be 5, 4. So this one is 5 and 4. MCB is y1 minus y2, 8 minus 0, 4 minus 6. So 8 over minus 2 minus 4. Now ML2, so I want to find the perpendicular gradient. ML2 times MCB equal minus 1. So ML2 times minus 4 equal minus 1. So ml2 equal 1 over 4. Now this gradient is 1 over 4. Yeah, this is minus 4, this is 1 over 4. Now we have a 0.54. So we'll write the equation y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So ml2 equal 1 over 4. The point is 5, 4. Y minus y1 1 over 4 times x minus x1. Y equal 1 over 4x minus 5 over 4 plus 4. It is going to be y equal 1 over 4x 16. 4 times 4 16 minus 5 11. 11 over 4. So now we have two equations. This is and this one is y equal 1 over 4 x 11 over 4. When you solve those two equations, we will get the center. Now we'll solve these two equations. Y equal minus x plus 4 and y equal 1 over 4x plus 11 over 4. So we solve to find the center. So 1 over 4x plus 11 over 4 equal minus x plus 4. Then this is going to be 1 over 4x plus x equal 4 minus 11 over 4. This is going to be 5x over 4 equal 4 times 4 16 minus 11 5 over 4. Now x equal 1. So x value is 1. Now from 1 y equal minus x plus 4, y equal x value is minus 1 plus 4 going to be 3. So this is the center. Now we know the center. Now equation is x minus 1 square plus y minus 3 square equal r square. Now we want to find the radius. So I will take, this is the radius. I'll consider those 2 points. R equal x1 minus x2, 1 minus 6 square, y minus y2, 3 minus 0 square root, which is minus 5 square, 25, and 9. This is going to be square root 36. So r square equal 36. R equal square root 36. R square equal 36. Now this is going to be 34 actually. 9 plus 5, 4, 34. So this is going to be 34. Because 25 plus 9 is 34. I'll work this sum differently. Lot of algebra. A equal minus 40, B equal 60, 48, and C is 60. Standard circle. X minus A square plus Y minus B square equal R square. Since minus 40 on the circle, we can substitute that one. So instead of x, this is minus 4 minus a square plus, so this is going to be 0 minus b square equal r square. So this is going to be minus 4 minus a square plus b square equal r square. Since 4, 8 on the circle, so I'll substitute that one. X equal 4 minus a square, then y minus 8, sorry, instead of y I put y mean 8. So 8 minus b square equal r square. And since 6, 0 on the circle, I can substitute that one to here as well. So then this is going to be 6 minus a square and y is 0. 0 minus b square equal r square. It means 6 minus a square plus b square equal r square. Now how many unknowns? A, B, R. 3 unknowns. How many equations we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 equations. Now we can solve. Now from those two, r square also this one. And r square also. I think this is not the second one. Second one is this. Right. So r square also this one. R square also this one. So I can make those two are equal from here. Minus 4 minus a square plus b square equal 4 minus a square plus 8 minus b square. Now from this is 1 and 2. 2 and 3 still the same. R square equal this one, R square equal this one. Then I can write 4 minus a square plus 8 minus b square equal 6 minus ax square plus b square. Now I have to solve. How many unknowns? 2 unknowns, 2 equation. I have to solve this equation. I'll take first equation and solve. Simplify. Minus 4 minus a square plus b square equal 4 minus a square plus 8 minus b square. So this is going to be 16. This is going to be plus 8a. Both are minus. And a square plus b square equal. This is going to be 16. Then this is 8a plus a square. And this is going to be 64. And this is going to be 16b plus b square. Now I can cancel out b square and b square. A square and a square cancel out. Then 16 and 16 cancel out. So in this side remaining 8a. These are minus 8a. Then plus 64 minus 16b. I think I'll bring to this side 8a plus 8a. This is to left. 16b equals 64. It means 8 plus 8 is 16a plus 16b equals 64. I can divide both sides by 16. So this is going to be a plus b is 4. Now when I solve this one, I will get a plus b equal 4. Now we'll solve this one. 4 minus a square, 8 minus b square equal 6 minus a square plus b square. So this is going to be 16 minus 8a plus a square, 64, 16b plus 8 times 2 is 6. A plus b square equal, this is going to be 36 minus 12a plus a square plus b square. Now I can cancel out a square, b square, b square. Any cancellations? No. This is 8a. So 16 minus 8a plus 64 equal 36 minus 12a. Alright, one is missing. 60 minus 16b equal 36 minus 12a. Now I can see I can divide 8. So this is minus 8a, I leave left side. This is minus 6b, I leave left side. This is going to be 12a, I bring to the left side. And this is 36. This one go to other side, minus 16. This is going to be minus 64, other side. So this is going to be 4a minus 16b equal 36 minus 16, 20. 20 is minus 64 minus 44. So I can divide from a 4. So this is going to be what? A minus 4b equal minus 11. Now I'll rewrite this one. A plus b equal 4. Now we have to solve these two. So we will get from here a minus 4b equal minus 11. So let's see whether we can solve this one. A minus b equal minus 11. A plus b equal 4. So this is going to be a minus 4b. A plus, sorry, a plus b equal 4. A minus 4b equal minus 11. This is 1, this is 2. I multiply by, I'm going to eliminate b. So I multiply by 1 by 4. So 4a plus 4b equals 16. I will add those two together. This is 3. 2 plus 3 when I add. This is going to be 5a. This is cancel out. This is going to be 5. And a is going to be 1. So x minus 1 square now. I want to find b. B is, we'll find from 1. From 1, a is 1. A plus b equal 4. A is 1 plus b equal 4. B equal 3. Now, this is y minus 3 square equal r square. Now we done. We found out the equation of the circle without radius. Now I'll substitute. I want to find r. Since 0 on the circle. So this is the circle now. X minus 1 square plus y minus 3 square equal r square. On the circle, it should satisfy the equation. So I'll substitute here. X is 6 minus 1 square plus y is 0 minus 3 square r square. This is 5 square. This is uh, 3 square r square. This is 25, and this is 3 square 9 r square. So r square is 34. Now the equation is 34. X minus y equal r square equal 34. So this is the second method, bit lengthy, and you should have a strong algebra. You want first time you have to work out correctly, but um, practice this one both ways. Now question 25, you see that there are 4 points. Actually, you don't need 4 points to find the equation of the circle. 3 points is enough. Like the way I show you at the second method of 24, pick up any 3 easy points and you can follow this method, follow that method. But now we have to follow the instruction given in this sum. First of all, we want to find the perpendicular bisector of AB and CD. So we'll follow that method and find the circle. If not, any 3 is enough. So this is B, this is the perpendicular bisector. A point is minus 7, 7. B point is 1, 9. So I will take this is L1. So midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is minus 6 divided by 2, minus 3. This is 16 divided by 2, going to be 8. So this point is minus 3, 8. Now I want to find the equation of this line. I need the gradient. But I know if I know AB, I can find the perpendicular gradient. So MAB equal y1 minus y2, 7 minus 9, x1 minus x2 minus 7 minus 1. So this is going to be minus 2 and this is going to be minus 8. So this is going to be 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 4. Then this one is going to be minus 4. We'll work out ML1 times MAB equal minus 1 as L1 perpendicular to AB. Now ML1 times 1 over 4 equal minus 1. ML1 equal minus 4. I have the gradient minus 4 and the point minus 3, 8. Then the equation is y1 y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. So y minus minus 3 equal minus 4 times x minus 8. So y plus 3 equal minus 4x plus 32. Y equal minus 4x plus 32 minus 3, 29. This is y minus y1. I pick up the wrong y. Y has to be 8 and this has to be minus 3. So y minus 8 equal minus 4x plus 3. So y minus 8 equal minus 4 minus 12. So y equal minus 4x minus 4. So this one is y equal minus 4x minus 4. Same thing we have to do for CD. So first of all find the midpoint of CD. So midpoint is 3 plus minus 7 divided by 2, 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 3 minus 7, going to be minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2, and 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is minus 2, 1. Now find the gradient. MCD equal y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus y2. So 0 over 3 plus 7, 0 over 10 is 0. Now I'll draw a, now gradient becomes 0. Now I have draw a real picture what is going on. So 3, 1, 3, 1, y value is, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is y equal 1 line. So 3, 1 means somewhere here. This is 3, 1. This is minus 7, 1. Right? So perpendicular bisector going somewhere here. So this is equal to, we found out minus 2, 1. So then perpendicular bisector is going to be x equal minus 2. This point is D and this point is C. So I just draw a rough idea, rough sketch. So this is CD. So this is the perpendicular bisector x equal minus 2. And AB we found out that is going to be y equal minus 4x minus 4. When we have to solve those two equations to find the center. Now from those two, when we solve, y equal minus 4 times x value is minus 2 minus 4. Y 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is going to be minus 2 and 4. Now x minus 2 square plus y minus 4 square equal r square. It means x plus 2 square plus y minus 4 square equal r square. Now we can find the radius. We know the point. We will take any easy point. What are the small point is 3, 1, C. This is 3, 1. Now this is the radius we'll find. So r equal x1 minus x2 minus 2 minus 3 the square plus y1 minus y2 4 minus 1 square the square root. This is going to be minus 5 square 25. This is 3 square 9 and this is going to be 34. Then r square is 34. R is square root 34, r square is 34. This is equal 34 and this is the equation.